Ever heard about Ghost Dropshipping? Well, it's not the usual one, where you use, for example, CJ Dropshipping and dropship the physical products on Amazon. Or maybe you've heard about Alibaba.com and dropshipping the things to eBay. Yeah, it exists. In 2016, the people who just went to this, well, they're rich nowadays. But now there is something which is called Ghost Dropshipping. Now don't worry, it's just a term, a new term. But instead of physical products, you will go with digital ones. ClickBank, Digistore24, ShareASale. Now, all these websites have one thing in common. They've got a lot of digital products, and you are not going to sell them, even though you can make yourself a digital product and sell them online. But this strategy is more like affiliate marketing, where you will just promote the products that are already there, someone else's products, and of course, you're going to get the commission for them. Now, you can use whichever one of these websites you want, but my favorite one is Digistore24. It's good, it's reliable, and it's easy to work with. And today I'm going to show you one strategy that I use right now that gets me over $2,000 per month without actually doing much. Now, do not get me wrong, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not going to get you like $2,000 the next week. You got to work for it, and you got to create some kind of content in order to just drive that traffic to your link. Now, the truth is that there are a lot of these products, and you can choose any one of these categories. As you can see, there's like education, email marketing, family and kids, fashion, fitness, health, food, whatever. But have a look at this. This girl on Pinterest, she's called Stylish Cravings, and she's into like keto diet, keto recipes, whatever, but have a look at this. She's got 10 million plus monthly views. Now that is a lot of views. And have a look at this. I use this website, which is called Worth of Web. When you get to this website, you can search for any website out there, and it's going to give you the analytics. So if I type stylishcravings.com and I click on the analyze, I will get full-blown out analytics of this website, such as estimated net worth, but this is not something that I was looking for. I was looking for this, 130,000 visits per month. Now that is a great number, but let's just suppose that half of this is coming over from Pinterest. So that's 65,000, let's say. So she has a link in the bio. This is her blog. And of course, on her blog, she has newsletter, which you can subscribe to. But apart from that, she's into affiliate marketing. Each one of these blog posts, well, they've got something which is related to certain product. Of course, she's not making these. She's just using this blog as a traffic source. So let's say that out of these 65,000 people, only 1% actually buy that product of hers. So that is 650 people per month. 650 people are buying something from her. Like, it's crazy. Only 1%. And if you take into consideration that she's like making $4 out of each one of those sales, that's $2,600. Just one website, just one product, and only 1%. So we took like as low as possible. Surely there's more. But let's just take this number. And all she has to do is to create some kind of content which is related to that niche. So how to do this? Well, it's pretty simple considering that you've got 1 billion people on this website. But I do recommend that you take a look at this because 76% of Pinterest audiences are female. This is going to help you when you select your niche. Niche selecting is really important, so just think about it. For example, this works very well. And on Digistore24, you've got foods and drinks section. As you can see, ketogenic fat loss diet 101. For each one of these sales of this simple ebook, you can get almost $13 for one sale. All right? And you know how weight loss is popular nowadays. It's always going to be popular. There's always going to be people like want to lose weight, want to get in shape, want to get that form, want to get that physique for the summer, you know? And $13 is a nice price. Now, that is your commission. I'm sure that this girl is promoting something similar. Now, when you want to select your niche on Pinterest, there is a bit of a helper tool, which is called Pinterest Trends. It's Pinterest's tool, and you can search for keywords. So, for example, if you type in keto, let's just stick to this example, you can see that well, it's not a good time to start with keto. As you can see, keto recipes, well, it's on the decline the past 1 year. So maybe this is not good for you. Skip keto, but weight loss is always going to be good. Let's just type in weight loss. As I'm just going to type in weight, so let's see what jumps out. Have a look at this. Weight lose workout, really on the rise. Weight lose fast, really on the rise. And like weight loss, just in general, it's always going to be popular. Or something like diet, let's say. Let's just do it with this. Diet, well, it's always going to be popular. I'm just going to delete this keto recipes. As you can see, the past 1 year, always popular. And it's going to go well with demographics. So first step, choose your own niche and your own product. Tie that niche to your content. And for content, you can always use canva.com. It's a free tool. You can create these pins like this, all right? It's easy. Of course, you got to create that content on a regular basis because if you skip days, it's not going to be good for your algorithm. Just be regular. Trust me, consistency is the key game, all right? All these people that are successful, they're just consistent, all right? Because there's a lot of these other people that try and they just give up, they quit. So all these successful people that you see on Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok, they are just consistent. They show up every day. They create the content and they use the traffic that they get. As I've told you, Pinterest pins, you can just tap in Pinterest, choose one of these. You don't have to choose the template. All you gotta do is to go to elements or just choose this, for example, car niche, and you're gonna get yourself a lot of these templates that you can use. Elements, text over it, and if you don't have any idea on how to structure your content, well, just look at your competitors. If you are in, I don't know, let's say beauty products or baby care, I was just searching for baby care products. All you gotta do is go and see what other people are doing. There's a lot of these people that structure their content really, really well. And you can go and steal the ideas. You're not gonna copy and paste, you're gonna create your own content. But this is just good for your inspiration, all right? And on Digistore 24, surely you will find the product to tie to whatever you want. Now, my honest recommendation is that you go with something that is close to you, something that you have certain knowledge about, Don't start with something just because it's profitable. If you have passion for something, if you at least like certain thing, it's going to be easier for you. It's going to be easier for you to create the content every day. It will become frustrating for you when you see that, okay, today I'm not selling anything, or there is going to be 1 week where you don't sell anything. Well, if you work with something that you love, you will have an easier time to go through that week or a month, That's why I always tell people to go and choose something that they like, something that is kind of a passion of theirs, because firstly, they will create much better content, and secondly, it is far easier for you to stay consistent with it, to just push through the hard times. Now, some people are also copying the content from other websites, from other platforms. You can do it as well. But as far as I'm concerned, you can just take it for inspiration. You don't have to replicate the exact same content over and over again. Now, of course, you can choose to have more than one product. And you don't have to have a website. You don't have to have a blog when you just started out like this girl. You can actually use something which is called Linktree, and Linktree has the ability to put all of your links into one place, and of course it's going to be for free. So you can see, this is my keto cookbook, this is how it's going to look on people's phones, so when they click on your link, which is going to be in your bio, they will land on this. And when they click on it, well, this is my affiliate link. They make a purchase, I get a commission. So it's sweet like that. It is easy in a sense, but it has to be you just have to work on it. You just have to create content regularly, all right? That's the only thing. It's not rocket science. You just have to be there. A lot of people are making money this way, and if you want to do it, you can. Just dedicate yourself, all right? Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you.